Hi friends, in this video I am going to capture some photos using this Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera and Canon EF-EOS R mount adapter and this EF-EOS 55 to 250 lens. So I will be using this mode. Then let me turn on this camera. Okay, so first let me check the autofocus. See, autofocus is working with this EOS R mount adapter. See, let me take some pictures in autofocus mode. Okay, done. So let me check these pictures. So this is a performance with this EOS R mount adapter. When we use this mount adapter with Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera and this EF-EOS 55 to 250 lens. So basically this autofocus will work in photo mode and video mode. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.